More than likely, it dropped a liner and blew a head gasket. Extremely notorious. Back to our previous videos. I mean, different truck, same problem.
So is that what all this, like...
Yeah, don't touch it, yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Now,
Oh, that's great!
do I have to start saying, fuck, fuck, fuck? Yeah. Do I need to give you one of, like, these?
Nope, fucking sucked.
Does that fit our channel? Like, yeah. It's building pressure. We've been running for 15 seconds and we're already at 5 psi. That's not normal. So I just want to see if it gets above 15 or if it attempts to build over 15, it'll blow out of that reservoir cap, and then we'll go into diagnosis of EGR cooler, head gasket, liner failure, so on and so forth. Which it's more than likely a head gasket. She's done. Always. I have never replaced an EGR cooler on one of these. Cummins. Because of a combustion problem. Now, I'm not saying it can't happen, and I'm not saying it didn't happen, but I've never seen that happen. Hold on. So, I mean, you can... So the cap is good to 15, but the truck wants to build significantly more than 15. And there's combustion in the coolant system. We'll do a combustion test, fluid test with that, but after that, it's probably tear down and inspect. And we'll let it sit here for a little bit and see if it fills the cylinders with coolant. If it fills the cylinders with coolant, that's a pretty telltale sign that the liners have dropped, and we'll see it after about half hour, the exhaust will be really white, smoky. Okay, so that's kind of promising. Like, cylinder probably isn't full of coolant. So that could mean like the head gasket's blown on an exhaust side, not necessarily the liner completely dropped. I need to get this outside and get 209 in here to do a hydraulic pump on it. Yeah.
Well, that was some action right there.
Well, that proves another theory. It's building pressure extremely quick. I mean, extremely quick.
If you like that video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow along. If you're interested in parts, advice, or a job opportunity, hit us up and let us know. Join us next time.